In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your transaction history on MoneyGram.com. If you want to quickly check your past transfers, review a pending transaction, or open the details for a specific payment, MoneyGram makes that fairly simple once you're signed in. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect on the screen. To get started, go to MoneyGram.com and sign in to your profile. Make sure you're using the correct account so the transaction list you see matches your activity. Once you're logged in, give the page a moment to fully load, especially if you're on a slower connection or using a mobile browser. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the website. You should see your name or a profile icon there. This is where account-related options are usually stored. Click on your name or the profile icon to open the drop-down menu. If the menu doesn't appear right away, just click once more and wait a second for it to expand. Inside that drop-down, look for the option labeled Transaction History or Activity. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on updates to the website, but it will usually be something along those lines. Click that option to open the page where your transfers are listed. Once you're on that page, you'll be able to scroll through your past and pending transactions. Take your time here, because this section may show multiple transfers depending on how often you use the account. You'll typically see a summary view first, which can help you identify each transaction before opening it. Pending transfers are especially useful to check if you're waiting for an update or confirmation. If you want more information about a specific transfer, click on that individual transaction. This will open the full breakdown where you can review the details associated with it. This is helpful if you need to confirm the status, double-check transfer information, or simply look back at a previous transaction for your records. And that's it. Sign into your MoneyGram profile, open the profile menu in the top right, choose Transaction History or Activity, scroll through your listed transfers, and click any one of them to view the complete details. If you're following along while watching, pause as needed so you can complete each part at your own pace.